Y'all, I'm looking and feeling like money. You hear me? Listen. Okay, looky. Listen. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie Rashon. Today's video is brought to you by Outre. They were kind enough to send me another unit to review for you guys. As always, before we get into the install, the specs, and what I think about the unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, listen. Yes. Okay, am I serving CEO or what? Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from Outre. It is a part of their Melted Hairline series. This is the unit Amanda. I got her in the color DR Java Frost, and she does retail around $37, $38, $39, under $40 for this joint. All right, now this unit does come in some specialty colors, so if you want to check those out, you can. This unit does come with lace from ear to ear, 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. This unit, just like all her other sister wigs, is big head associated. Sometimes I say big head friendly just on how it's fitting on me, but I do have on my wig grip and the elastic band that comes with this unit, and it is sitting pretty snug on my temples. They're gonna be pulsating in about 30 minutes. So if you have a big dome like me, 23 inches, do not, I repeat, do not wear the elastic band that comes in this unit. Cut it out and throw it away, okay? You don't need it. Wear your wig grip. That's all the security that you need. Put some bobby pins if you want to. If you want to use the combs on the side, you can definitely do that, but y'all know how I am, okay? No. This is a high-tex fiber unit. It's heat safe up to about 400 degrees. I did use my hot comb on the top here because there is some humpiness from the filler hairs that come in this unit to kind of give her the lift that you see on the card right here. However, I wanted to make sure mine was, you know, fitting for my face because this is a left side part. What's going on, Outre? Huh? Another left side part? Don't they got enough? I'm just joking, y'all. I know we normally get right side parts, so I know they want to come out with the left sides a couple times, so you know, okay. But let's not get carried away, okay? As you saw in my put down, I am rocking this unit glueless because it's really no need to spray her down because of how she's fitting on my head. But if you're a part of the peanut gallery, go ahead and spray her down, melt your lace down, and you'll be good to go. I did have a little trouble blending in my lace because I did not spray this unit down. I have learned when you put liquid on this particular lace for this series, it blends down better than when you just use a powder product. So I did use some of my foundation as well as my contour shade, and then I went on top of that with my powder contour shade and my powder foundation, just kind of get it blended down to where I needed her. It does come with a natural hairline and baby hairs, but it's not as pre-plucked as we have seen other units from this collection. Preferably the unit, what's the one that I really like? It looks just like this one. Let me look. It looks just like Outre Arlissa in my opinion, just that Arlissa has a little bit shorter bang than this one, but the curls, everything, how it's looking on me is looking pretty much the same. Did we just get the same wig in a different name? But I do know the color of this one is a lot different than the 1B that I tried with Arlissa. And Arlissa does not come in the Java Frost color if I'm not mistaken. So, you know, there you go. Speaking of the color, this color is looking pretty good. Okay, I was not featuring this one. I actually wanted to get the one on her card, which is the DR Almond Spice. She just looks so cute. However, I am glad that I did get the Java Frost because every review that I have seen on this wig is for, oh, dang it, are for this color, okay? Everyone hopped on this color, which is, you know, that's normal. When a popping color comes out like this, you want to try it for yourself. So I'm happy that I got the Java Frost color so you guys can see what that looks like on my melanin skin tone, okay? And I must say she's looking good, okay? Now this is a look that I would wear for like work or church or like I wouldn't rock this unit in the club. Not this color anyway. I would probably get like a natural color and try to rock her in the club with a little swoop bang. But the way that I have her style right now, she's looking real like prim and proper-ish. So, you know, that's kind of how I'm feeling, you know, especially with my little dress and everything. Ooh, ooh. Now, I did get a little bit of shedding with this unit, but I did not get any tangling. However, I did get a lot of flyaways around the front here because, you know, the hair is kind of like a silky, thick texture. It's not yucky, but it's not silky. It's like that in-between texture. So you do get some, you know, thickness in here. So be mindful of that when it comes to the heat. It may be a little hot around your neck. So be mindful of how you're gonna rock the shoe when you go ahead and step outside, okay? Giddy up. It's definitely giving me a glam look, especially in the color. I mean, y'all see that color? Look how the color is looking, okay? I mean, look. I know girls who pay some money to get some color like this. They pay some dollar bills to get their hair like this. And all you gotta pay is $37, okay? Listen. Understand your budget, okay? Understand your budget, sis, and get these looks, okay? Get these looks. Y'all, I'm looking and feeling like money. You hear me? Listen. Ooh, the pressure, the pressure. Okay, let me get this thing off. If you want to check this unit out, I will put some links down below so you can do that. Shout out one more time to Outre for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also, smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.